VÖLKEL creates solutions for mobile machines in the agricultural, forestry, construction and municipal sectors, as well as for special machines, with its machine controls and displays. Intelligent sensors and displays help manufacturers of compaction machines to optimize their compaction control. Over 40 years of expertise and our own optimized production facilities ensure the reliability of large-scale production, even for small and medium quantities. Our solutions allow you to optimize, expand or adapt the functions of your machine as required. For example, you can optimize the driving control or the behavior of your machine in a limit load situation. Make your machine even better with our products and solutions. Our Condoc PC software makes it easy to parameterize your machine controls, even remotely. With VÖLKEL, you can simply install success and adapt them flexibly throughout your machine's entire product lifecycle. We look forward to discussing your ideas with you, demonstrating how they can be realized, and clarifying your objectives and technical requirements. Thanks to our modular structure, we can find optimum solutions for your machine in a short space of time. From the first contact to after-sales support, you will always receive competent and customized advice from our sales engineers or hardware and software developers. Our VÖLKEL platform creates the ideal conditions for expanding or diversifying your applications at any time, and with very short development times. VÖLKEL Sensors specializes in thermography under demanding conditions and compaction control, with corresponding displays. VÖLKEL compaction displays were developed for use in harsh environments. They offer standardized and customizable display options to display compaction progress clearly and simply during work. Choose VÖLKEL as your technology and innovation partner.
VÖLKEL. Simply install success.